This is Dr. Chad Lavender from Marshall Orthopedics describing our technique, nanoscopic incisionless medial meniscus repair. A spinal needle is placed into the anterolateral joint space. Through that we place a nitinol wire, and over that we place a curved high-flow sheath for the cannula for the nanoscope. A medial portal is established in the same fashion. Here, the nanoscope is placed in the medial portal, and coming from laterally, you see the probe probing a medial meniscus capsular tear. An Arthrex fiber stitch is brought in from laterally. You can see we do a vertical type stitch going into the superior part of the capsule, and then we go into the inferior part of the capsule around the tear. We provisionally tension the stitch with the loop suture first, and then the free suture is pulled to provide our final tension on the repair. A cutter is then used to cut the remaining stitch. The final repair is seen here, and you can see a picture of the knee with only nanoscopic portals. This technique using the nanoscope allows for decreased size of our portals. We consider this incisionless. It decreases the amount of fluid that goes into the joint, which should lead to better motion after surgery and an earlier recovery.